Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with Essentials. Confirm Windows 10 or 11 and the latest GPU drivers are installed, then restart if updates pending. Once done, open the game or app that uses DirectX 11 and note your baseline frame rate so you can compare. Next, go to Windows Settings System Display Graphics Settings to start forcing Performance mode for that specific executable. This targets the app without changing global power settings, and it prepares Windows to prefer the high-performance GPU. Now you add the game's executable to the graphics settings list, then click Options and explicitly select High Performance to prefer the discrete GPU. This forces the DirectX 11 workload onto the stronger adapter and helps reduce CPU-GPU contention. Then open your GPU control panel, NVIDIA or AMD, and create or edit a per-game profile, setting power management to maximum performance and DirectX optimizations enabled. Once applied, save and exit. Finish by launching the game, confirm it's using DirectX 11, and run a short benchmark or play 5 to 10 minutes to validate the improvement. If you see stutter, lower FPS, or crashes, make sure to roll back the GPU driver or change the app option back to let Windows decide. Sometimes a driver version mismatch causes issues. Finally, collect Event Viewer and GPU control panel logs if problems persist, because those details will speed troubleshooting when you consult support or community forums.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.